Hi, I'm Daniel Gray, a salesman with Zip Products, and today I'm going to show you how the new BlockIt that we sell, how much it absorbs ordinary sound. Right now I'm going to take a wrench and drop it on a concrete floor. And now what you can see I've done is I've taken a strip of the BlockIt and we put it on the side of the wrench, and now I'm going to demonstrate how effective it is with absorbing noise. And as you can see, all we've done is apply one simple strip of the BlockIt to one side of the wrench. You can really use it on any car. This just happens to be a C6. If you look right here, we've installed it on the bulkhead in different patches. It doesn't have to be in one solid piece. We put it on the bulkhead because it's the metal part of the car. Installation is extremely simple. You cut to fit it and the back just peels right off and it adheres to any surface.